Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to summarize PDFs using ChatPDF. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is first of all access your ChatPDF. For that, you need to simply go and type in the link www.chatpdf.com and you will reach in this kind of interface. So this is the official website of ChatPDF. You don't need any installation. However, you can log in for more features. So once you're here, all you gotta do is upload your PDF. You can find an upload PDF option. You can simply select a PDF you want to summarize. So you can simply select it and paste it over here. After uploading, you will see a chat window. Now you can ask the chat PDF to give a summary, summarize chapter 2, or anything you want to ask from that PDF given. So later on you will get a summary. Now you can simply copy the summary directly, or if logged in you may also save chat history for later use. So by doing this you can simply summarize PDFs from using ChatPDF. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.